With thousands of online apps, you have $1 trillion of technology at your fingertips. So if you want to harness the power of the internet, let me show you how you can automate your work by sending your online forms and order data to the most popular apps. Say hello to Sperse.io, a no-code automation system with a native WordPress installation. You won't need expensive software or programming work, which will save you precious time and money in the long run. I'll show you how this works. First, you'll need to install the plugin and enter the license key you receive after your order. You can then click this Get Started button to browse and discover from over 100 apps. From the app directory, you can search, filter, or scroll to find available apps. Then select any app to add to your connection settings. Of course, you'll need to have an active account for the app to use it. You can add as many accounts for each app as you like. Let's say you have 5 Google accounts. You can link them like this. Now let's create an integration and see it in action. The idea is quite simple. You can take data from any source, like web forms or webhooks, and then post that input to the application you want to connect to. Let's try an example of connecting a WooCommerce order with Google Sheets. You'll want to connect your source data to the application by using this simple drag-and-drop feature. On the right side are the destination application fields, and on the left side, you can search for a source field and drag it over here. For example, first name, last name, email, and date created. Once you've mapped your fields, let's give this integration a name and save it. This will create a new integration bot to get your job done. We call these integration bots spots, short for Sperse bots. As you can see, we have 3 different integration spots created here to perform 3 actions after a new order comes in. Now I'll place a demo order, and as you can see in these other tabs, the spots have pushed the order details to Google Sheets, my Aweber email campaign manager, and my Sperse CRM account. We can view the real-time activity log for details, which shows if each action was completed successfully. You can click on the IP address to see the details, or view the log details of each request. You also have an option to click the Retry button to modify and rerun a failed transaction. If you didn't find what you were looking for, or need a custom integration or functionality, our team is here to work with you. Hope you enjoyed this demo. Thanks for watching.
Agile CRM is an affordable, fully integrated, unified platform for sales enablement, marketing automation, and customer service CRM for seamless integration of business efforts. If you don't have an Agile CRM account, create one here. Let me show you how to set up your Agile CRM integration. If you already have an Agile account, log into your account. Click on your name. Click on Admin Settings. Then click on Developers and API, where you will see your API key, which you can copy and paste into the API field. Copy the subdomain from the Agile CRM app URL and paste it into the subdomain field. Next, give this integration a display name and click Save Changes. If you have multiple Agile CRM accounts, you can add them all here in the same way. Aweber is a very popular and highly recommended autoresponder and email marketing automation software. If you don't have an Aweber account, create one here. Let me show you how it works. If you already have an Aweber account, click this Signing with Aweber button, which will open up a new window to log in. Enter your credentials and click Allow Access. Copy the Aweber verification code and paste it into the field. Next, give this integration a display name and click Save Changes. If you have multiple Aweber accounts, you can add them all here. Click here to set up a new form integration. Close CRM is a great sales software CRM to manage communication with leads and customers. If you don't have a Close CRM account, create one here. Let me show you how it works. If you already have a Close account, you can go to Settings, API Key, Create New API Key, and Get API Key. Copy the API key and paste it into the field. Next, give this integration a display name and click Save Changes. If you have multiple Close CRM accounts, you can add them all here. Click here to set up a new form integration. Email Octopus is an email marketing platform offering high deliverable email campaigns at a low cost. If you don't have an Email Octopus account, create one here. Let me show you how it works. If you already have an Email Octopus account, you can click on your account icon. Click Integrations and API. Create API key and Get API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the field. Next, give this integration a display name, and click Save Changes. If you have multiple Email Octopus accounts, you can add them all here in the same way. Click here to set up a new form integration. Freshworks is a CRM suite offering seamless workflow between sales and customer support teams. If you don't have a Freshworks account, create one here. Let me show you how it works. If you already have a Freshworks account, you can click on your account icon at the top right. Click Settings. Click API Settings and get API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the field. Copy your subdomain Freshworks URL, then paste it into the field. Next, give this integration a display name, and click Save Changes. If you have multiple Freshworks accounts, you can add them all here in the same way. Click here to set up a new form integration. GetResponse is an all-in-one email marketing software platform for creating emails, landing pages, and conversion funnels. If you don't have a GetResponse account, create one here. Let me show you how it works. If you already have a GetResponse account, you can go to the menu at the top left. Click Integrations and API. Click API and generate API key, then get API key. Copy the API key and paste it into the field. Next, give this integration a display name, and click Save Changes. If you have multiple GetResponse accounts, you can add them all here in the same way. Click here to set up a new form integration. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.